So in the last 30 days, I made exactly $612,000. And let me refresh this over here so you can actually see it's real. And the main reason for these numbers is that we made good viral creators. This is not going to be some theory-based video where I'm just going to tell you make a good hook. This is going to be me showing you viral framework that you can literally copy today.
I like it like tic-tac-toe. Every step we take is tic-tac-toe. Ho. I like you like tic-tac-toe. Every step we take is tic-tac-toe. Ho.
Alright, so this is a very classic product which works every single year on Halloween. And I've talked about specifically this video around half a year ago, and I predicted exactly this Halloween it's gonna work again. And guess what? It worked again. And I promise you one more thing, next Halloween it's also gonna work. So one thing generally which you should always be doing is finding seasonal winners which work every single time. And that's very easy to predict. Next year, it's going to work again. Now, with this video, there's a few things which were done really well and why this video went viral. First of all, in this frame right here, this disgusting toilet is definitely controversy, which is maybe not the best controversy, but it works in this case. The other really good thing which was done here is this versus. That is free watch time, because you show this, the blood mats people think we sell, and then you go to versus, everyone will keep watching because they want to see the other thing. It's an implied scroll stopper, it's an open loop, and this concept generally consistently works. Even though it's overdone a little bit, it still does work really well. And what you end up doing here is you show your product, which looks way better than the other product, and it just portrays your product in a better light because it's a comparison. Even though this was pretty good, it was nothing. But anyways, let's get to the next account. Okay, so this video also went very viral, as you can see here. Basically, it's in German. I'm going to just translate everything real quick because I'm from here. And what it says in the first sentence here is the biggest German railway company, which everybody knows, is going to sue me. Okay, that's a very interesting thing for most people. And generally, every time you talk about something illegal, this is something where people stop scrolling. All right, this is great. Also, keep in mind, the location he's in right now is really well done. Like he's somewhere next to a lake packing a bag, and it just looks very nice. Like everything's just clean about this. Again, going the extra mile, same as with the plane. He actually went to a lake to film this. And what he basically does is he just puts a bunch of things in, and it still doesn't look like it's super full. And this just clearly showcases how great the product is because he just keeps packing and packing and packing the bag. And it's very obviously way more than you would usually fit into your bag. Now, if you scroll to the comments and also speak German, one really interesting thing which you're going to see is he's talking about a railway company who's going to sue him for having this bag. But in reality, when you take a train, you never have to pay extra for extra luggage. So it doesn't matter. The only relevant moment is when it's actually traveling by plane. And everybody comments about it, but it's still related to traveling. So he goes viral in the perfect niche where it doesn't matter if somebody travels with a train or a plane, they're still traveling. They're talking about that. So that's perfect. And this is just controversy used the exact right way. Now, this account is also owned by one of my students, Sebastian, and he made around $70,000 from this product. And I think he also went viral on a few other accounts, but this is one of his accounts. So to summarize what happened here, 3 good things. The right kind of controversy with train versus plane, then also showing the product in a great light, how much you can fit in there, and also having a nice background, being in a cool location, is all it took to go viral. Next is this product right here, which is this little portable mini washing machine.
Show me something that TikTok overhyped, but actually got it right. Baby, for me, it's this. I use it like there's no tomorrow.
Now, this entire account, which has quite a few viral videos, as you can see here, 4.8, 2.3, only made $2,000. And guess what the reason is? Well, number one is the product kind of sucks. Like, this is not an insane product, okay? It's not really useful. Most people have a washing machine and it's very specific demographic. And also what the most viral video doesn't do is showcase the product in a good light. You don't see a before after of the clothing that it's actually like super clean, and you don't show them dirty before and then clean after. You don't show anything really. It's just about the product itself, not about the results. And the second thing is you also need to think about the the demographic. Like, if you just have a random mom who's doing the laundry, she's not gonna want to do this. She has a fucking washing machine, right? This is specifically targeted for maybe like college students who live in a dorm and don't have that, or just want to do it quick or whatever. And you need to specifically talk to these people and like say something along the lines, as a student, this is an essential, or something which targets the right audience. And this would make this product convert much better. The next video right here, I'm not going to be able to play the sound because it's copyright music, but trust me, the sound actually plays a pretty significant role here. So with the music being played and this look of it and these drops, it has like this calming vibe. Like the whole video is very chill. This is definitely what you're looking for. He added the vodka as controversy. This obviously is going to spark people's attention and people are going to comment about it, but it's not too crazy. He didn't show it for too long and that's fine. And he also enhanced the sounds. Like these drops sound really, really intense. And he just made sure that he puts some sort of like waterfall sound in the background. And that's very smart. Like enhancing the sound of the water drops makes everything just so much cooler. And that's a subtle detail which actually made this video go viral. Literally, if he wouldn't do this, it wouldn't have gone viral. Pay attention onto these details. This is something which can make or break your use with me and my team. So because the whole program is designed on one-on-one calls, we're just going to tell you why something doesn't go viral. So if we look at your video, we're going to just tell you, okay, do this, change this about the video, make sure you're in this location, do that. And we're just going to give you specific actionable steps on how to go viral, because the whole thing is a skill. We know how to go viral. We just tell you what to do and you do it and then you go viral, make a bunch of money, and that's it. And we've proved that this system works literally for years. Like every single week, we post a case study with one of our students who is crushing it. So for example, this week it was Tristan. Last week it was Costify, who also has a massive journey channel. Then it was this guy who made 20K. Then it was this guy who made 100K. Then we have Mikey here. Every single week for the last years, we have been posting case studies. Nobody is doing that. We have proven more than enough times that this whole system actually does work. If you want to join and become the next case study, click the link below and I will see you very, very soon.